It's a butter floating.
And then so when I take the butter out, can I still drink the milk? Are there any nutrients left in it? There's still nutrients
it's
left.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Today in this video, I'm gonna spend in a day and a farm, and I'm gonna show you. I made this trip all the way to Cornwall, Connecticut to meet Simone, my namesake. She was named after me, and so I just have to come and spend a day with her. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how we make butter. We milked the cow. We took some that was put from overnight, set from overnight for us, and we take the cream off that, and we're gonna go home and we're gonna make buttermilk and milk. No, we're making buttermilk and cream today. Oh, Simone is not a big fan of Simone.
Where's Andrea? I don't know. Tony, do you know where Auntie Andrea is?
No, maybe she got in the car.
She's not in the car.
Maybe she's...
And not even Auntie Simone. Her phone's still here. Oh, found them!
It's my first time milking a cow.
My first time seeing and milking and washing the cow.
Ooh, which I won't know.
It's better when you pull it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're at the Local Farm, and that's really the name of the farm. It's called Local Farm. And what I'm trying to do, this is milk, just milk from the cow last night. And I'm just trying to take the cream off every part. As you can see, I already did some. That's cream. That's what used to make butter. This is used to make heavy cream, whipped cream, and ice cream. And as you know, I love skim milk, and I don't know if you can see that, but the skim milk is on the bottom. And that's one of the easiest way to make skim milk is after you milk the cow is to just let it sit overnight. The milk will be on the bottom, and once you take this cream off, the part that leaves is the skim milk. And skim milk
Fair bit of milk in there too.
No
Right?
one's gonna catch them this fast.
It's okay, except your jar's getting too full.
Alright, so
If you're gonna shake it in the one jar.
yeah, I'm gonna
right?
shark it there, so I'm not
So
gonna.
you better stop there.
I'm usually with cows with the black spots, like this.
Okay, get this nice cream out.
Don't have no food. Why is everyone playing?
So now all I need to do to make butter is just shake that up.
Yeah. Yeah, and then it'll turn into whipped cream.
Oh, for first it turns to whipped cream, and
Then
then
it'll fill the whole jar.
oh,
And
so
you won't hear anything slopping in the jar. It'll just be full
So
of
I
whipped
should
cream.
take that and make it
yes,
whipped cream?
and then that's whipped cream.
And then you keep on shaking it, and you keep on shaking it. And then there'll be little circles, little bubbles forming in there. And then it's called, the butter is breaking when that happens. And then
Okay.
it'll get like crumbly like cornmeal. And then you keep on shaking it, and all at once this liquid will just like be thin and runny. It'll be very skimmy milk.
Oh, nice.
And there'll be chunks of butter floating.
And then so when I take the butter out, can I still drink the milk? Are there any nutrients left in it? There's still nutrients
it's
left.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk. Okay,
But,
so then
but
I have.
this hasn't been cultured, so it's not thick and heavy like
Good.
what you buy in the store. But buttermilk is fine for cooking or drinking.
Great.
whatever you want.
Okay, great. Thank you.
And the butter is fabulous.
Well, thank you for having us today. We really enjoy our day on your farm. Thank you for having us. We enjoy that. And we're just gonna go make butter now. I can't believe it's that easy to make butter. 5 minutes of, can you see that? 5 minutes of shaking and it's on top. So that much is butter, and that's the buttermilk now under the bottom. So just keep shaking it. I can't believe I'm making butter on the rooftop. This is so much fun. So I totally forget about this. This is like 2 days later because I am on vacation, and the last thing was on my mind is my butter that I made. So this is the regular butter. This is the garlic butter, and you can see the chunk of garlic in there. And then I did go ahead and put a little bit with salt for my nieces that I made. So this is the unsalted. The garlic butter and the salted butter that I made. I still can't believe it. And by the way, this is delicious.
Back up, this is my space. No. Come on, Simone. Simone, take it. Guys, come on. What are you doing? Come on. Go on your spot. Why is she drooling? Look, she's drooling. Simone's drooling. Come on, Simone. No, you can't. Or else she's not going to. See that? You're just fine. Come on, Simone. I'm going to give it to the other cow.
Get out of there. Get on your side. Thank you.
My side?
Yeah, this is your side. That's a cow's side.
Simone, come here, girl. Okay, she did that. Look, she's shivering. Yeah.
Crazy that she's ignored.
You fresh like this.
Oh, okay.
Brush your belly, Tony. Brush your belly.
No, you fresh hard. We want to get the loose hair off and some of this dirt.
She's going to give us one really hard. It has a lot of bones. No wonder why they eat this cow. I don't want them to eat it. I want it to live. Like horses. Do you have horses?
Why is it so hard?
You don't? It's scary. It would be so good to touch one. Shoo flies.
Brush your fly, go.
Move. I'm done now. Why is the fun done?
I didn't even see you do it. Just do that little piece for me.
Dirty. Oh my gosh, look at its legs. Oh, it's
Go ahead, Leanna. You're going to regret this moment if you don't do it. You don't want to live your whole life regretting the day.
Get this hair. There's so much hair coming off.
Leanna, go. Come here, Leanna. Do this part for me, please. Huh? Come here, Leanna. Do this. Do that one little part for me, and then you're done. Leanna.
Why are you so scared?
Leanna, do this one part for me, please.
Look, see?
The one part.
This part. Just do this part. Take it from Auntie Fiona and do this one part, Leanna. Fiona.
You want a little one?
Fiona. I want to see her. Put her in front of you. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I just wanted to give it
I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done. Oh my god, there's some big one. I'm done. Ooh! Get out.
Thank you.
No, I can do this rest. Here, take. No, I don't want to do it.
The cow will be very happy if you help him to get clean. You can't.
What's water for?
What's water for? When your mom give you a bath, don't she soap you up? That's like the same thing.
That's not water. There's no water then. Today. I didn't eat anything. I just ate chips, that's all. I just ate chips.
So no burger for lunch?
Not in me up. Wait, what is for lunch then? Oh, I know what I want.
Careful, careful, careful.
That hand. You're
Sorry.
You're tripping all over.
Look at